Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can use your Apple gift card to pay in your Apple Music. Uh, it's very easy thing to do. What you have to do first, you have to redeem your Apple gift card from your iOS or iPhone. So how you can redeem it? For this, first go to Apple Store and open your profile. Here you will see an option redeem gift card or code. Just tap on it. Then here you can enter your card details, and then what you have to do, go to Apple Music. Sorry, Apple Music, and here you can connect in the payment method, connect with your Apple Wallet, and it will be deducted your money from your Apple Wallet, and that's how you can use Apple gift card to listen your Apple Music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.